Here's an unboxing video for this eufy security solo cam S340. I recently got this camera from my house because there's been a lot of break-ins in my neighborhood. I selected this camera because of the 3K video and the AI tracking system. It also uses dual camera lenses, which offers you wide angles as well as close-ups. It also has an amazing pan-tilt zoom system, which allows you 360 degrees coverage. It's also solar power, so you don't have to worry about installing extra wiring in your house. The mobile app allows you to view and control your camera from afar. It is compatible with both Apple and Android devices. For video retention, the camera has 8 GB of onboard memory. If you want to store more video and expand your memory, it is compatible with the Homebase S380. And best of all, there's no monthly fees to monitor this camera. Let's unbox this so I can show you what's included with the purchase. It comes with this high efficiency solar panel, and it will keep your camera fully charged with just 2 to 4 hours of direct sunlight. Just connect the panel directly into your camera using this USB-C plug. The panels are heavy duty and made to withstand the elements. Also included are screws and drywall anchors. For easy installation, it also comes with this camera and solar panel mount. Just attach them directly onto the wall using the screw and anchor kits. Depending on how you want to mount your solar panels, it comes with 2 USB-C cables. One is short and the other is about 10 feet. The best thing about this camera is that it's very easy to install. The instruction manual is well written and includes a lot of illustrations on how to install and set up the camera. Take some time to read it because it does contain a lot of useful information. Let's take a look at the camera now. It is discreet and compact and only weighs about 1.5 pounds. With this one camera, I'm able to monitor my entire front driveway, and with the 3K video, I'm able to see everything clearly. For nighttime recording, it has both infrared and spotlights. Lastly, it has a two-way radio so you can listen and communicate to the intruder. And with the dual camera system working together, it can auto zoom onto a target up to 3 optical and 8 digital zoom. And because it's solar power, you don't have to worry about running out of power. Installation is a breeze and will only take a few minutes to set up. Although the camera will not fully protect you from a robbery, it will at least help you if you need to identify the suspects. And with the mobile app, you can remotely control, view, and save videos. It will also send you notification whenever it detects a car, person, or animal.